Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So in past, many users used to complain about the animations which are present on Oneplus Nord series. But recently OnePlus have rolled out a new update, which is a huge update, and it do brings improvements to the animation. Along with that, there are a few more changes which we'll talk about them. So today OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite received that update, and day before yesterday OnePlus Nord CE4 had received. In that video I forgot to mention one change which wasn't mentioned in the changelogs, but that add-on was done on OnePlus Nord CE4. So here you can see this is my Nord CE4 Lite, which is currently running on the latest build. If I go to Android version, this latest build comes with 5th August 2024 security patch, and if I show you the version is .900. I received the OT update, and you can see the update size which is around 1.12 GB, which bring changes to system, application fixes are there, and later on some camera improvements. And guys, now before moving ahead, if you guys like a content and if you think it's useful for you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. And now before even starting guys, let me talk about the animation change what they have done, and that's also done on OnePlus Nord CE4. And if you guys know, OnePlus doesn't provide this animation speed option, like where you can change the speed of animations on OnePlus Nord CE series, wherein individuals can make changes accordingly. So the change in animation what they have done, and that's the closing animation, which used to be slow, but now if you see here on this device, which is OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite, you can see the animations are a lot improved. Though they haven't added the app opening animation, but they have worked on the speed of closing animation, and due to which now device do feels faster. So this is an animation change what they have done with this latest build. And as I told you, the same change they have also done on OnePlus Nord CE4. On OnePlus Nord CE4 with August patch, they have added this feature of beacon link. So basically OnePlus is adding this feature on almost every OnePlus smartphone. For this feature to work, the same feature should be available on other phones also. And I do like this feature because if any person is in emergency and there is no network on their phone, they can actually make the call using this feature. But as said initially, the other phone should also have this feature. And it works on Bluetooth technology. I'll check out the actual range, within what range it works, and I'll keep you guys posted. If you see other changes under system, they have fixed some display issues. If you take a look at the fixes what they have mentioned, so all these fixes what OnePlus have mentioned in the changelogs, I did do a screen recording, and for me all these things were working fine. There might be some users facing these issues, but OnePlus have taken care of it. After that, if you see the changes related to apps, which says improve the process of renaming photos and videos, and in both these changes I did check out before and after, there were no changes at all, or I'm not able to discover. But if you guys have seen any change, do let me know in the comment section below. And talking about the last change, which is related to camera, which says improve the zooming performance for video recording. So one thing which I personally did not like here, and that's they have removed the zoom option, like the single tap zoom option while recording videos. So soon if I start recording the video, you can see now OnePlus is providing this slider instead of the zoom option like the tap to zoom. Previously, before this update, we had the option of 1x and 2x, but now that has been removed by OnePlus, and I personally did not like it. So this is one thing which I don't appreciate. And now talking about the last change, which is layered to optimize the resolution and clarity of photos taken in third-party application. So here I did test out using the open camera application. We click photos before updating and after updating. I did not find any kind of noticeable changes. There might be some other applications for which OnePlus have done. So if you guys use any other camera application, do let me know in the comment section below. And at last, talking about the benchmark scores. So these are the scores of the previous build, and this we have done on the latest build. With Geekbenchmark application, we do not see much of changes, almost identical scores on both the builds. And the same thing goes with CPU throttling test. The maximum CPU throttle exactly same on previous build and this latest build. And if you take a look at the average GIFs, which are 231,000. Even in wildlife extreme stress test, the stability scores on this latest build are 99.5%. On previous build, it was 99.2%. So guys, these were all the changes what OnePlus have done with this latest build for OnePlus Nord CE series. And you guys let me know in the comment section below, did you like the animation change what OnePlus have done with this latest build? This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.
Go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the